Let's begin with the slope. That's the fundamental part of dealing with linear equations. And I want to find the slope of a line through 2 points. And the things that I need to know before I do this, you need to know what ordered pairs are. And you need to know the formula for the slope. So I want to find the slope of this line through these 2 points. And I'm going to assign the first one as 0.1 and the second one as 0.2. So it's my first point and my second point. I could plot this on a little cartoon XY plot to see what it looks like, but we're just going to use the formula to find out what the slope is, and we'll deal with the plot a little later. So we know that the slope m is delta y over delta x. Delta y is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The first thing I want to do with these points is label the points. I always do this, point 1 and point 2, and I put x1 and y1 over the numbers for point 1, and then point 2 I put the x2 over the x value and the y2 over the y value. Now when I write the equation out, I can just take these numbers and not think about it and just plug them in. So I'm going to put my m down here, and I'll just reiterate, this is delta y over delta x. And so that equals y2 minus y1. Here's my y2 minus 1. And I put a minus in before I look for the y1 because it'll help me manage the signs if I have a negative over there, okay? So I'm going to subtract the 6, and my x2 is going to be a plus 8 minus 1, and I add these up and I get a minus 7 all over a plus 7. That equals a minus 1. So I know the slope goes from left to right and is declining, so if I plot my little cartoon just to make sure, I can see if I plot the first point, 1, 6, I'm going to go over 1 and then up 6, 4, 5, 6, and plot that. That's 1, 6. And then my other point is going to be at plus 8 minus 1. Plus 8 minus 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it goes up to plus 1. And there's my plot. I can just draw my line. It is a negative, and the slope is equal to a minus 1. And that's the end of that. Okay?